To continue into with Excel Chapter 7, next thing we need to do is kind of clean up a couple items. I zoomed out so you can see the screen, everything in the spreadsheet to this point. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to start in cell G4 and click there, and I'm going to use the autofill command to drag this down and fill in. And what that does is uses the relevant cells for the formula as we fill that down. For I and J, I'm going to do the same idea, but I'm only going to fill it down to 10. Okay, so you might ask how that happens. Again, there's formulas in each of these, and those reference the areas and other parts of the spreadsheet. So that should coincide with the part of the book. Where are we at? Just to make sure we're on the right page. We're on figure 744. Okay, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to column G. I'm going to highlight all of the values, and you'll notice that in the bottom right hand corner this little icon appears, and this is a quick analysis. So I'm going to click on that. I'm going to go under formatting, and I'm going to select top 10%, and it's going to highlight the two areas in red there. So now what I'm going to do, as the book suggests, is I'm going to come down and put just a little label here to identify that. About right here, I'm going to put shaded cells indicate top 10%. And I'm going to, I'll just use my fill bucket to fill that, to kind of indicate what that colorization means. All right, now this next part, I'm going to start up here in C4, and I'm going to highlight everything from F4 down to row 31. So I'm not highlighting the category or the percent increase or decrease, and I'm going to use the same idea down here, but this time I'm going to select totals, and I'm going to click on sum. And it will put in at the bottom the totals for those respective columns, which is nice. And over here, actually under column A, I'm going to type, as they've done, the word totals. And I'm going to start here in G31 and just use the autofill to pull that down, and that will give us 0.93, and I believe they formatted that as bold. Okay, so this should match figure 7-50. All right, now the next part, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to find and replace, and this just demonstrates how these functions work. I don't want to say they're not important for this project, but it just demonstrates how this can be useful. Like, for example, if I go to find, I can go in and find the word equipment. And if I hit find next, it'll go through and it will highlight as I find the word equipment in the sheet. What replace does is, if I want to replace, for example, cleaning with cleaning supplies, what it will do is go through every place that the word cleaning is found and it'll replace it with cleaning supplies. So if I hit replace all, it'll say 4 replacements have been done. So you can look down through now and replace it. Cleaning is now replaced with cleaning supplies. Again, I'm not saying that's not important. It's just kind of a neat little feature that can be added, or can be used when searching through a spreadsheet or other documents, in essence, really to find and, in essence, replace certain items.